All right, so in this video, we're going to get Python set up on your computer, or make sure that you already have Python installed. So Python comes installed already on a lot of machines. Here I have open a terminal on my Windows machine, a PowerShell prompt, and then in the background here is the Python documentation for installing Python. So this is wiki.python.org. You could probably Google Python installation, or I'll link this below the video. But you can open up a terminal, PowerShell, or command prompt and type in some commands to see if we have Python installed. So the first thing is just to type Python --version, and you should see Python and then some version pop up if you have it installed. If that doesn't work, you can also try py --version, and that should show a Python installation if you have one already on your computer. And then if you type in just Python, it opens up a Python prompt, so you could print out, so you can actually run Python code. And if that all works, then you probably already have Python set up, and so you can skip this step. If you didn't get any kind of Python version here, then we need to install that. So if we come over to this Python installation document, you can see here if you do not have Python installed or need to upgrade to a new version. So if you do see Python 2.x.y, then you do want to upgrade to Python 3. So you would also come here. So if you don't have Python, or if you only have Python 2, then python.org/downloads. And then you can click on the download Python. Then once that executable downloads, you can open that. And then you can follow this installation. I would also add Python to the path and click install now. I'm not going to click this because I already have Python installed, but if you wanted to, then you can click install now, and I would just stick to the defaults, and you should be all set. Once you download Python, you should be able to go back to your terminal and then type in Python --version, if you can spell it right, Python --version, or py --version, and then you should see that Python 3.11.